Hello and welcome to your next piano lesson, where today you're going to be learning the classic piano melody, Happy Birthday. Now, if you can name all of the notes confidently and you've been practicing getting those fingers moving, you'll be playing Happy Birthday in no time. So let's begin. Right, Happy Birthday can in fact be split into 4 separate parts. We've got part 1 that sounds like this, part 2 that sounds like this, part 3, and part 4. Nice and simple. There are 4 individual sections that you're going to practice, learn and perfect before you join them all together. And that should make it a lot easier to learn and then understand when you try and sing along with it as well. So we're going to start with our thumb on middle C and all of our other fingers on the subsequent white notes. And it starts like this. Part 1, C, C, D, C, F, E. Okay, I'll do that again. C, C, D, C, F, E, and try and keep your fingers close to the keys. Part 2 is C, C, D, C, G, F. So it's the same start as part 1, but just move slightly higher. I'll do that again. C, C, D, C, G, F. And then part 3 gets us a couple of C's at the bottom before we move up to our little finger on the C up here. So we're going to go C, 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 A with our forefinger, F with our third, E, then D. You see how we had to skip a couple of notes? So we started down here, a couple of C's, up to the higher C, skip a note to the A, skip a note to the F, E, D. And then for part 4, we've got to go to the B flat, our first one in these series of lessons. 4-finger on the B flat, a couple of those, followed by an A, F, G, F. So part 4 again was a couple of B flats, A, F, G, F. Right, let's rehearse those once more. So, part 1, C, C, D, C, F, E. Part 2, C, C, D, C, G, F. Part 3, C, 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 down to A, F, E, D. Then to that B flat for 2 of them, and then A, F, G, F to round up the song. So practice each of those individual sections in the right hand and get those confident before trying it out in the left hand. Remember, it's all going to be the same notes, just different fingers. So you're starting with your little finger on C. And I'll tell you the fingers this time, not the notes. Okay, here we go. Little finger on C. So 5, 5, 4, 5, 2, 3, 5, 5, 4, 5, 1, 2. And then 5, 5 up to that middle C, because our right hand will now be out of the way once we put both hands together. C with our thumb, A second, F third, 4th and 5th on E and D, followed by our second finger on the B flat, a couple of times, 3, 5, 4, 5 for the A, the F, the G and the F. Same thing, practice those individual sections, part 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the left hand, and then if you're confident in both of them, try joining them together. Nice. So how'd you find it? Let me know in the comments below, but before you do that, it's time for your practice for the week. And this week, I want you to learn each section of Happy Birthday so you can essentially sing along with it. Give yourself time to learn each of the individual sections, then join them together. This is how I would do it. Take the first 2 and slot them together and practice until perfect. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Then take the second 2 and slot them together until perfect. Happy birthday dear me, happy birthday to you. And of course then you've got part 1 and you've got part 2 and you just slot those together as well. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear me, happy birthday to you. Nice! So thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If this helped you out, give it a like. If you want to catch more of my videos, hit the subscribe button. It's free. And if you want to be notified when your next lesson arrives, hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.